Hi, I'm Sam Booth and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over a piano tutorial on Chaka Khan's Ain't Nobody. And to start off with, I'm going to be having a look at the right hand and looking at the different types of chords. And then we'll then go into the left hand as well. And then once we've then done those parts nice and slowly, we'll then go into hands together to finish off this video. I'm not going to try to make this video too long today, but hopefully you'll be able to follow all the different bits and pieces of what's going on there. So, as I said again, if you have any questions about anything in this video, you can always leave a question in the comment box and I'll always get back to you. And if you have any inquiries about piano lessons or anything else that is more specific, you can always send me an email and I will respond as quickly as I can. So let's get into the video, and don't forget, if you like this video, do give it a subscribe and a thumbs up, where I'll be sharing with you lots of other content. So let's get started, and to start off with, we're going to play a right hand chord just with the right hand by itself, putting the 1 on the A sharp, 2 on the C sharp, 3 on the D sharp and 5 on the F sharp. I'm going to play all of those together and then switch to a new chord with 1 on C sharp, 2 on F and 4 on G sharp, and repeat that twice, then go into the G sharp, down to the F, down to the C sharp. So let me now do that a bit quicker and repeat that again, and eventually you'll play that a bit quicker. Okay, and now I'm going to change to the next position. I'm going to put my 1 on a B, 2 on a C sharp, 3 on a D sharp and 5 on an F sharp, and play all of those together. And then switch to the other previous chord which I used, which was C sharp, F and G sharp, and repeat that again, and back and forth. So a bit quicker with that one. Now let me do the whole section again. So we've got the first chord, repeat that again, and then this one, and then you repeat that whole section again. So for the next section we play a B flat major chord with 1 on B flat, 2 on D and 4 on F, and then switch to E flat with finger 2, 3 on the F, up to 4 on F sharp, back down, and then repeat that again. So let me do that section again. Okay, and then the next part we play a E flat minor inverted chord. So that's 1 on G flat, 2 on B flat, 5 on E flat, and then we then change that, and then we go to a second inversion of an E flat minor chord with the 1 on the B flat, 2 on the E flat and 4 on the G flat or F sharp, and then switch back to a C sharp major chord, which is the 1 on the C sharp, 3 on the F and 5 on the G sharp, and then finally a 1 on a E flat, 3 on a G flat and 5 on a B flat. So let me just show you that a bit again. And then if I go back a bit further before that, let me just show you the larger section. Okay, so I recommend you then do that part slowly. And now we then go into the next section. In order to do that, we put the 1 on the E flat, 3 on the G flat and 5 on the B flat, and repeat that twice. Then go down to a C sharp major chord with 1 on C sharp, 2 on the F, and 4 on the G sharp. And then play G sharp, F, down to C sharp. And then we then go to a new chord, which will be a G sharp minor chord, but it's an inverted one again. So we put the 1 on the B, 2 on the D sharp, and 5 on the G sharp. And then play a B major chord with the 1 on B, 2 on D sharp, and 4 on the F sharp. And then back to the C sharp major chord with 1, 3, and 5. And then back to E flat minor chord with 1, 3, and 5. So let me do that a bit slower. And that repeats again. Now a bit faster. Okay, so that's the main part for the right hand, and now we're going to go into the left hand. So let me just show you how you would do that. So we start with the 5 on the D sharp or the E flat, and then up to the B flat, up to the higher E flat. So you do this. Okay. And then we then move to the next change where we put our 5 on the lower B, up to the F sharp, up to the higher B, and that's repeated. And then we go back to the E flat, and that's repeated again. Down to the lower B. And then we then go to a B flat with a sort of an octave stretch with 1 and 5 on B flat, doing an octave stretch up to 5 and 1, keeping the octave stretch on B, and then 5 and 1, going up to C sharp, and then 5 and 1, finishing on the E flat. Left hand for the chorus now. We put the 5 and we go back down to the E flat, and then 2 on the B flat, 1 on the higher E flat, passing your 2 over to the G flat or the F sharp. Let me show you that. And repeat that F sharp twice, and then down to C sharp. Repeat that. And then we then go down to a G sharp, and then 2 on the D sharp, 1 on the higher G sharp, and then to an octave stretch on B, up to C sharp, and then back to E flat. And then it happens again. Okay, so once you've then done that and then you've learnt the left hand, we're now going to bring that left hand in with the right hand, and we're going to play it slowly together. Left hand, right hand, back to left hand, down to B left hand, and that new chord, back to B, and then repeat that again. Down to the lower B. So then we then play the B flat in the left hand with the B flat major chord on the right. Then E flat. And then with the F sharp, you play the B in the left. And then you play the C sharp in the left with the F sharp. And then finish off with the E flat in the left and end off with the E flat in the right. And then we go into those inversions and repeat that E flat in the left. And then the final part, so we play the E flat in the left and then pass that over, and then when you play this F sharp
play the chord on the right. And then back to C sharp as an octave stretch. Then down to the lower G sharp. And then the right hand, and then play the B in the left as an octave stretch with the B major chord on the right. And then C sharp major chord, and then back to the E flat minor. And then it happens again. So let's now try and do that bit a little bit faster. So now let me go through the song a little bit faster now from the start. Repeat the section. Together with inversions, chords. Okay, and then finally for the full speed.
So that's the end of today's video. I hope that you were able to sort of follow all the different bits and pieces that I was showing you in that tutorial. But if you have any other questions regarding anything, don't forget you can always leave a comment in the description box below and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.